Headshot.
Throw one shot in my people. Mickey have something to look like, guys.
Catch the first one now.
Mickey look like she have something again, my people. What this man?
Get here. The fly come over here, so guys. Alright, you see him. And get it again, you know. Have one gone. Two times and get it. Then tough guys.
Well tough, man. Well tough, my people. Guys, we're up on a little Barbie dog hunt in the morning. Yeah, man. I want to get 2 shots. I mean, no drop. But I use like about, this is supposed to be a 5.5 or 5 mil band and 8 mil steel. So the shot no big enough and the band no force enough. You go with speed and you go with the power, yes. But he might go dead, you know. Might be because he get a critical shot a while ago. But it just take a while before he shot the kid. Just spot one more on the line. Just I hope him not fly off, you know. Yeah, man.
Headshot.
Realize them now come down, guys, so straight headshot me give that one. I'm not show you next side. I don't know where I go. Yeah, I go dispatch him so he no suffer, you know what I mean? But no
That
stay
is
tuned,
it,
me
guys.
peeps. This is just one who want about 4 of them max because I have an idea we now will shoot more than what we need. You get me, peeps?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so no stay tuned.
Stretch see another one, guys. In the way on the top of the light post and fly off. That one they fly gone, guys. And get it, you know, guys. Give me my head now. Headshot now. Ele kill him. I let me lick down.
Yeah, they kill him right behind his head.
Oh.
Right behind his head, they kill him, guys. So.
We'll move on, guys. So other one, guys, on the light wire. Out here. Eh? Am I moving head? I head you want, guys, but am I moving head? Ah. Why then tough? Then tough. Guys, the one they gone.
See what going on now. We don't see no more wild barbel dog them now. Them man people come on spot today with a normally there. I be dangerous now they are the spot at the moment. But them there though, we know them there and then they are no. So here what going on now, guys. What we are gonna do? We are gonna we have some barracuda. We are gonna just use the one barbel dog what we have and just maybe prime up with the barra and things. So we will still stay tuned because we are gonna do a little cook up, you get me? Yeah, man. Just as we done say that, we see one our little spot on the ground. So we'll see what we want. See if we can get him, you know.
That is it, guys. So we get two bird, guys.
Throw one shot in on the people. Yeah,
Right in
man.
our head.
Yeah.
That is it.
Skill, you know. Don't know skill levels.
I forget my chance now and I don't see no more bird.
That may I say.
Why? Next time I may shoot first, you know, guys. Any shooting I go on and me first
Yeah.
I shoot, you know. I just shoot my guy town, guys, and me shoot first, me make him a shoot first.
Yeah. You know, don't know you're going
But
up
me
with
have
it.
me slingy same way, guys, and
You know, we see her in action with the slingy guys. It's
Yeah.
It's just the timing, you know. It's just the timing.
I have mine same way, guys.
I don't know.
But
so
just
through
when
me
they
and the
wait for him.
experienced shooter, I don't know.
You're bright.
I have to make sure, so I think.
Watch him.
But we peeps, you just stay tuned, guys. Cause now go
Yes, guys, stay tuned. We're going to
breast
cook them up.
breast them and cook them up, you know.
Yeah.
It might be piece of bar, you know, I think. You know. Alright, my people, so let me fill in on the little blanks, you know. Alright, so on our way back, we got stopped by our friend and he gave us some soldier crabs. He said he caught a lot yesterday, so we got some soldier crabs. So instead of looking about look about the barra that we have, the guys, we have a piece of barra in the fridge. Instead of looking about the barra, we are gonna just catch some fish instead, you get me? So right now we have a rod them and thing. Get the soldier crab, we have the bird them in that bag same way, cause you don't know. Yeah. And we so deal with them now too, you know, my people, cause you don't know anything set up. Mickey is here, she's ready for the beating, guys. So you know, just stay tuned. Catch us on the first cast out. We don't wanna keep this, we don't wanna keep the video too long when me know say yo beating of the go on. You know them way there, so just stay tuned, my people. Catch a little breakfast, you know? Yeah. Them things that we are dealing with, you know, guys, were nice, so. Nice when we can hunt my meal. Okay, my people, so time now for we throw out, you know. Alright. Whoa. Hola, my people. You feel like in the pan, you know? Yo. Come off. I don't know how you come off. Come off, man. See what I go on right or something. Come on. I get bite. I may catch the first one, you know, Mickey. I may catch the first one. You know, say I may star already. May I catch the first one. Wow. I'm a nibble on the bait, guys. Mickey have something to look like, guys. Jaja, na me first say you more get sitting, you know. She got something. Oh, you got parrot. Nice parrot she get, guys. Oh, the parrot for the pot. Look like my hook too big, you know. Nice. Yeah. So you go, Mickey.
Catch your first one now.
I saw you go, I saw you go. Me winning at the bird, so I don't know if she catch the first parrot.
Catch the first one now.
Yeah, man. Nice little parrot, you know. Yes, I.
Parrot fish fat, you know.
Fat man, you see belly.
You feel heavy, man.
See the gut when got.
Alright.
Guys, I got to change my rig. The hook is too huge. So I now hook up the fish them. Mickey, you just gone one, you know, Mickey. Remember say, you can just come catch your back, you know. too jolly. Guys, we are looking for food. We have bird meat.
Talk more about you for a catch. You're bright.
You're lucky, Mickey. Lucky, you're lucky.
Just talk when you're talking straight.
Guys, she just lucky.
Me say me just love you make you talk when you talk.
She just
Because
lucky.
that is where your strength is.
Guys, when I say nothing to
Your
me.
mouth.
Nah, I say nothing, you know. Style thing, Mickey there, you know. Nah, I say nothing, guys. Everything good. Ever hear who laugh last, laugh best, Mickey?
That's why I laugh last and laugh after you. Like
Yeah.
the first one they laugh.
The race not done yet.
Exactly, but then you start,
Slow and steady wins the race, you know, guys. You know, see how me humble?
you start it.
You know, see how me humble and me not in trouble, Mickey?
Like you must tell straight thing, you start.
That's
Magic trick.
supposed to be in my pocket, if anything. Straight leader line, straight main line me I use, you know, guys. No lead up on it. We have hooked them up. But we know it's not the right way. Alright, now we are just getting our swimmers as fast as possible. Now have time to neat and fine. Hey, bad boy nearly bite me up, you know. He nearly bite me. Say fish look bex. The fish have a bex.
He look vex so free.
After you catch him. Mickey said the fish look vex, people. How what this father? The fish have a vex, Mickey. Nice parrot, you know, Mick. Nice parrot, man. Guys, me get some nice tug out there, you know, but guess what? The hook too big. Don't worry yourself, Mickey, man. But watch how she cast out and catch fish. Everything good, Mickey. The race is not for the swift, you know, Mickey. Yeah. See how far me send that, Mickey? Big fish alone me pick up on them thing, yeah. Start get bites. Start get bite, guys, but that's only a nibble. I like feel a little nibble them, you know. Come on, grab it. Guys, I don't know where I'm going, you know, so let me take up. I look like I said them eat off the bait already. Look like I said them eat off the bait. Huh? And something to me, Mickey. Jaja. Yo, the swimmers them now go on good at all. Mickey look like she have something again, you know, my people. What this man? Another parrot he look like. Go down closer. Another parrot she have, guys. Another blue parrot. Be a parrot fish there, so I see. Same size, yeah, me see it. Yeah, man, alright, drop him down the same way. So Mickey gone 2, you know, guys. I'm not gone none yet.
That is it, guys.
Yeah.
Another one, same size.
Alright.
That fish is right.
Yeah. Guys, the race is not for the swift, you know, but who can endure it, you know. So I don't know, me happy we get back my win. Yeah, no. There we go. Out there. Alright, my people. See it work for me. Whoa. What that? Already? Voila. We get nothing? Yeah man, we get something guys. Already as it drop. At the spot where me did there, you know guys. Don't know, you know, me I fish whisperer, you know. Hey, T's and P's in Gateway. I want butterfish, you know. One strawberry grouper guys, me see him. As in come up in flick off. Cha. Come up and flick off to blow out. Alright guys, I have something. I know it's a butter man. Me mean parrot. I know say I be a parrot over here. Yep. No say I be a parrot man. Alright, so you see it guys. Start you know. Start, you know. Yeah. Only one you gone over me, you know, Mickey.
Whatever.
Watch your man, me know say I want parrot, you know. What me did tell you, say, Mickey? Yeah, parrot bite different guys. I'm just did a nibble for your bait. I feel like I want big tug, but them out small, so hard for you catch them. Right now, you know, I should have wrap up the rest of bait with the panito, you know, guys, because I hit that. Last throw me I throw out my people. If it's a bait done, call it a day. We got 3 fish already, 2 birds. So I don't know where you go. If they ain't heavy, I have like a weight on them man. When I pull them up a while ago, I feel it. Yeah. Peeps. You're going like she want to beat up the teacher and it's not working. Out there again, you know. Huh? Yeah. When I pull this one a while ago, I realize I'm on it. My people, so right now that is it for me, you know. Them not stop nibble off my bait guys. So till nothing no left anymore, I want teensy weensy piece of it. Good. Nothing no left funny. Guys, right now what we're gonna do, I don't know, we catch 3 fish and the 2 barbel dog them, the 2 ringneck dog them. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna breast the dog them guys, scale the fish them and deal with them. Get me, so I'm showing you how I breast it. All I do, just pick off here, so this is how me breast it guys. I don't know about nobody else. I kind of clear off the feather them off it guys, because I can see the meat itself. Because sometimes when you break inside of the bird itself with your finger, if the feather them though dip on your hand. So I don't really need that, you get me? So I just push it on a neat here so. And then pull. Pull up just like this, guys. You see that? That is it. So me breast them. I don't know about nobody else, my peeps. Alright.
So we're only just gonna use the breast,
Yep.
the chest breast.
Chest alone. Straight meat we are dealing with today, guys.
Yep.
No bone.
You know, see your grow feather.
That means it, huh? This is why I pick off the feather them, guys. So notice feather still up on my hand same way.
So your chest fat,
Voilà.
man.
Nice piece of chest meat, you know? This is it. So this is how I like to do the bird sometime, guys. And then we leave that part, like the back and everything, to make like stock or soup or, you get me? Yeah, but in this case, we're not going to really make no stock and no soup or nothing like that. So
Yeah.
just straight press.
And guys, we were planning to do a catch and cook.
Yeah, we wanted
Like-
to do like a proper meal, guys.
Yeah, but guys, oh my god, we are so exhausted right now.
Yeah.
That's not gonna happen today at all. But we are still gonna fry up the fish and the bird.
Yeah, man.
And we're gonna maybe eat it with bread or so.
Yep.
We wanted to do a full meal, guys, but we really don't have the strength right now.
I think might be me get like a cheese bread or might be a bun, a sugar bun. I not know what I might feel for it, guys, because we're gonna leave here so soon and we're gonna head off to the shop.
Put the garlic in a pot too, you know. I mean, I don't know, chef.
Listen to you now, Mickey.
Ooh, mine in chop out, mine in sim out.
It spill like that, so you know about it. My peeps, I don't know, CC jerk seasoning. Yes, just like that.
Guys, in the meantime, we have a pot on the fire with garlic and pepper. Give oil a flavor. Yeah, man.
You know what, she go on like she can cook around here, my people. Because me make she know all of them style, you know.
Yeah, right.
Oh, you go on like you can cook, you know, people. You don't know, sir.
You make me know everything, Stretch.
Yes, because
That
I'm
you want to hear.
what's my name? Teacher.
That you say.
That everybody say, Mickey, everybody know me a teacher.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so I got peeps comment teacher in the comment section, guys.
The bird meat look nice.
That look nice and me shoot them.
Stretch.
Make them look extra pretty.
Sure. Never down here say nothing to you.
Yeah. Can you go and see my little bit? Right now them burn. So you know fish can go in the pot. Listen to that sizzle, guys.
You always now put it something in head and tail. You see, so you can't cook. See, then hold better in iPad. What you tell me, say? Guys, on the comment and make you know. Say a real thing, me I say. When you put the fish them head and tail, better in iPad. Yeah.
See that?
That is it, guys. Yeah. Come go on like
Key.
Kong.
That's what I'm doing again. I don't know what it is.
Big up to King Kong.
Yeah. Save the princess, which is you. Guys, you know, see how she has tried to style me.
Oh God. Yes guys, so just stay tuned, my people.
Yeah, stay tuned,
We're
guys.
out here. Guys, what stretch I go up in a tree? I feel him style that, you know. Always have to find somewhere to get comfortable. Watch him, guys. Watch him. I must say lizard. That's all I you always want to relax.
Guys, that's the best thing. Relaxation, of course.
May I go
Nice
find one place to
breeze.
relax to, yeah?
Eh?
I said, may I find a place to relax to. You must lizard. Everywhere you go, you find tree if you go up in and go relax. No, sir.
Guys, you know, can't follow me in a long time. I do this, you know.
How long you do this stretch? From your boy.
Yes, me, I climb
Okay. Ah, boy. Guys, I'm going to stay tuned here. I sit down same way too, guys. Wait for the fish them to turn. I don't know where I go. Nice seaside, you know. Yeah, cool and nice.
Yeah, that's how you turn the fish, Mickey. You should say, yeah. You know, hold the next one by
Stretch.
right here.
Leave me alone.
Just turn it, Mickey, turn it. Guys, you know what I'm teach her how to turn the fish. I'm looking scrumptious though.
Me I tell
I
you,
like that.
Ali bird. Guys, we
Looking
are slow
scrumptious.
cookie.
Slow fry them.
Slow fry them, you know, guys. So.
That is it.
Oh Lord.
That is it. That is it. Yeah, man. So when they're ready, you know, my people. Show them
Now
what
we
I'm
see
doing.
100.
Yes. So this is what's happening right now, guys. I make the fish them crisp up some more, you know. But the bird them ready. Look at that, my people. That's it, you know. Yeah, man, look at that. Wonderful dark. Fish them crisp up some more. Then can take out the pot, you know, guys, but we like when they crispy.
So we put some more heat on that. Guys, we know say normally you fry fish under medium heat. Medium high.
Yeah,
That
but
medium low.
we just a cut short, you know, I think.
But guys, because we want the bird to soak
And
properly.
and some people would have like to fry the chicken or the bird in a different aisle from the fish. But for we don't mind, guys, because I
we
don't
eat it
know.
with it,
We
no
eat it
matter.
with it, yeah. Get me? So now stay tuned, my people.
Yeah.
Crisp them up a little bit. And when we do that, and then I say, yeah, I eat that. For me. Okay, you look so pretty. My phone make you look so.
Don't bright.
How
What
make you look
are
so?
that?
Ah, that's that.
Yeah, guys, I know here then say liberty come through carelessness, you know.
Sure. Alright, but guys, not leave her alone.
Guys, it's on red out here, red.
Yeah, you know, like up the video to you know my peeps, you know, don't know anything set up. Leave a comment, said speed, yeah man. You so see me in action with this slingy wicked and simple, you know. But you know, don't know we are on the bird season, so We
Yeah.
wait for the right time. And yes, again guys,
Mm-hmm.
for the barbel doves,
Again.
they are not protected by NEPA. They don't have a scheduled breeding season. So they would be in the bracket of the pigeons and the common fowl.
Yeah.
So just to avoid all the I don't want to say use the word stupid, just to avoid
Negative.
all the not so
So stop trying to
the negative comments. Yeah, just to avoid negative comments pertaining to that part. Alright? Yeah man. Alright my people, so just take out some bread.
Yes,
Don't know.
guys, we eating giant.
Yeah. Two slice, no don't know. We have one cup. I will try to get more cup guys, but they
Shopkeeper forget to give
forget to give away and then we walk
And
out
then
the
we
shop.
forget.
Yeah. No, no, I go for it. If you got to go the swimmers then you know.
Yes, guys.
Call it a day, you
Right
know.
away, right
Munching time.
Right away.
Come Mickey, just put them in a plate, Mickey. Do the right thing, my darling. Do the right thing. You know?
Yes, you know.
Yeah. Voila. Look at that.
Sometimes I have to wonder what's wrong with you.
What's wrong with me, Mickey? Guys, something wrong with me? Don't talk to Mickey for me, no me people.
Oh boy.
Fastest thing this we could have do,
If
guys.
we did at home now, we could have used paper towel to suck out
Yeah,
the
paper
iron.
towel, that's support all of the island and everything.
So guys, that is it. That is it. That is it.
Yep. What we are going to do now, guys, we'll take off the whole stuff for me, Mickey. We'll take off the pot and make the aisle go on cool down.
And we'll go find somewhere
Woo!
cool.
Yeah, we
We'll
have up
find somewhere
underneath the
cool
tree
to
now.
sit
That's
and
all.
eat, guys.
One. You have a drink?
No.
But the drink in a cooler, guys, we have a drink in a cooler. You know, so. We can't move with the whole cooler, though.
About Franks in a
About
cooler.
Franks in a cooler. Look for the cooler, guys. The cooler go on with things.
That look cooler and nice, no, man. Guys, on the stage, we are going to eat.
Yeah.
I know, so if me didn't know, so we are going to do this. Mother just carry mayonnaise
True that, too.
or chiffon butter. Cause
Guys,
you know,
I just improvise on the way. How I say, yo,
Oh,
food
so
to
2
eat.
fishes for me.
Yeah, 'cause you
Everybody
don't know me no
knows
love
you
the
don't
swimmers like
fish
that. If I were in Jack or Bonita now or Tuna, then why?
Alright.
Problem.
Bird first stretch. Bird first stretch.
So you know see Mickey plate, guys. You know see that whole heap of meat.
Guys, stretch
Look
choose
for
to do
mine.
this. So don't make it look so bad for me. You want more bird, but here.
You see them sitting there, guys. Look here. And I'm here the man. Kude.
Stretch half full.
Kude.
Stretch don't want nothing more, guys. Stretch just half full.
So I don't know what's going on with people. I go see if
This
share
have to go
something.
tuck somewhere. Tuck it
Yeah.
somewhere for me, please, and thank you.
You know I go make it.
Mine, I make it drop, you know. That is it. That is it. That is it. Thank you, darling. Woo. I saw you like it.
Mickey, leave me alone.
Okay, stretch. Guys, we're just gonna have a chill time right now. Eat some, well, this is basically we breakfast, guys, although afternoon now.
Brunch.
Yes, it's brunch.
vibes. Mash up everything, you know. Not done everything set up. Like, comment, share. You get me? Yeah man, until the next adventure we want to say peace out to you, guys. Yeah man, today was a nice day for me and Mickey. We just there go and chill. Even although when we end the video, guys, we're gonna just go and chill, see me, you get me? So catch you guys in our next adventure, our next video. Zane? Yeah man.